Today, we'll walk through how to create a new product category in Odoo, set its costing method, and choose the right valuation method. Remember, these choices directly affect your accounting. For expert Odoo accounting support, visit www.mtbcpa.us. From the Odoo dashboard, click on the Inventory app. Next, go to the Configuration menu and select Product Categories. This takes you to the Inventory configuration. Here, you'll find the Product Categories option within the drop-down menu. Click New at the top left. Enter the name of your new product category, for example, New Odoo Category. Under Inventory Valuation, choose your costing method. Odoo gives three options: Standard Price, FIFO, and AVCO. Standard Price means costs stay fixed until you manually update them. FIFO, or First In, First Out, moves the oldest cost out first. AVCO, or Average Cost, calculates a moving average of purchased costs. Odoo will warn you that changing costing methods impacts inventory valuation. Next, choose how your inventory should be valued: manual, where you record stock entries manually, or automated. Automated valuation means Odoo automatically posts accounting entries for stock moves. This ensures your accounting stays accurate. When you select automated, you'll need to configure linked accounts such as stock valuation, stock input, and stock output accounts. Once costing and valuation methods are set, click Save. Your new product category is now ready to use in Odoo. Product categories in Odoo are powerful because they control both inventory behavior and accounting impact. Choosing the right costing and valuation method is critical for accurate financials. For setup and guidance, reach out to us at www.mtbcpa.us.